Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? I am bringing you another League of Legends videos. Well, there's my intro, and welcome to another League of Legends videos. I am playing as Snowstorm Sivir, and I know I've been AFK for a while, just due to some IRL things. But, well, here we are, and their team is just annoying. They have Jhin, Nautilus, they have Illaoi, and they have Katarina and Kha'Zix. God damn. Now I'm playing with my faithful companion, Black Belt Monkey. And I'm playing as Sivir because she's really strong right now. I mean, I haven't played her, besides in ARAMs, I haven't really played her in, like, regular. So, we'll see if we get stomped or not. I don't know, but who knows. I like the new Andrew. Yeah, I like the... But, yeah, just been gone for a while. I did post up a video, but I didn't like it myself. So, I took it down. So, I was just like, I'll just leave that. It was some playthrough of some game. But it wasn't. And then my Pokken thing is just like, my capture card has gone to, like... It's just dying, man. Sometimes it just cuts off, so I just can't even record that. And just a lot of bad things lately. Like, my PS4 broke, so I couldn't play Call of Duty, and I got a really good deal on Call of Duty for PC. It was, instead of $60, it was like 29, and it came with a Nuketown DLC. So I was like, sure. And I was gonna do that, but I didn't have time, so right now I was just like, you know what, I haven't posted a League of Legends video in a while, so I figured, why not do that now? So let's see if we can do that today. We can play some League of Heroes and see how it works out. I don't like fighting. I really don't like playing against Jhin. Just like, I don't know the matchup too well, but we will see if this is a good matchup for us or not, or if we can even win. I haven't played like regular, like, matches. Like, I've played with some of my friends, but like actually trying, it's been maybe a couple of days. And the skill, I don't know if it's still a thing where you go you max W on Sivir still first, just cause like when you get the crit, when you get Essence Reaver and your attack speed item, your cooldown goes to like 30. I mean, you have 30% cooldown reduction already, so I'm not too sure about that. So I'm still gonna do max W first, her yeah, Ricochet, and then I'm gonna max Q and then ultimate when it's up, and you know how that just goes. You know how that shit goes. Running through the six with my. But like I said, I haven't really practiced Sivir. Last time I like faithfully played Sivir was like, nice, they got first blood. Pre-season, before season 6. So that's the last time I faithfully played Sivir. I did like her. I used to play her a lot, decently. You know, not my favorite or my best ADC, but this is one of the champions I did play a lot. Well, more than average. Okay, let's leave it at that. But I know Jhin, he got his stupid buff, so he's been pretty strong right now. I don't really like facing Jhin, especially Jhin with a support who has stuns. My God, if you play Jhin versus Jhin and Morgana, it's just a nightmare. It's just a nightmare lane. You probably won't win the lane. It's just one of those lanes. It's mine. Oh, okay. I still got that with Ricochet. I should probably be hitting him with my autos while I'm farming. I'm doing it's a decent farming, but you know, sometimes not everything goes the way that you plan. Just like IRL right now. Oh. Can we kill him? No, I don't think so. I'm not gonna let him die though. No, he's not gonna die. You're good, man. Oh, I'm so bad. This is what happens when you don't play. I don't know if Jhin actually. Oh, nice. Teemo is just getting camped by Graves to win his lane. That's what I like to see. The Teemo god. You know, he's doing it in my... Oops, I should have probably... There we go. I forgot his spell. Like I said, I don't play much Sivir, so I forgot about the spell shield. But we got a team. You know how that always... I mean, that's good that they're actually doing that to Illaoi, because Illaoi becomes a nuisance. Not a lot of people play her, but the people who do know how to... Like my friend play her, it's just... It's just, my god, man. It's just one of those champions that gets ahead a little bit and she just starts wrecking the show. Just starts wrecking the dream and then nothing, absolutely nothing can be done. Oh, I fucked up, man. Oh, we're being... Yep. That forced shot. Yeah, because Kha'Zix didn't even get the assist for that. Yeah, that fourth shot really ruined. I should probably flash, but it's okay for now, I guess. Oh, I don't have enough. Not even for this. Could wait the gold. See, I don't even have level 6 for Sivir yet. I'm gonna wait for the 10 gold. Oh, yep, I think she flashed. Okay, so we can get this now. Like I said, I'm a little rusty. I haven't been playing much of any type of games. Like I said, just stuff goes on in life that you don't account for it, but it's all good. Because no one is hurt in the end. But I've also been watching Avatar: The Last Airbender just because I never finished it. And my god, was that show good. I finished it and everything. Kawaii desu! Aang and Katara. But man, that last fight between Zuko and his sister, Azula, and that song that plays is really good. And then the Aang versus your boy Ozai? Yeah, it's Ozai, because the uncle's name Iroh. That show was really good. No, Tibbers, come back. Tibbers, come back. You can blame it all on me. But they're just camping the fuck out of top lane. That's why I was like so. That's why I was just like, why is Kha'Zix here? I mean, it makes sense to not. Sometimes you just gotta let a lane lose and stuff, but. Where the fuck is Alistair? Okay. Katarina's coming down here. I see her. We can't really do anything to Cash. She's probably right there. Ellie, please. Hey, boss, please. Yeah, she's right there. What the fuck? Bruh. I had to use it, or I was gonna die. What the hell, Alistair? That was pointless. Look at your map. What the fuck? I'm pretty sure he flashed to do that. That play. That was pretty bad, man. You made me blow my stuffs. I mean, I could have just walked back anytime, but well, they got her, so it's fine. Fight this, fight this. Oh, he flashed. Ooh, I'm dead anyways. Kha'Zix, go camp top lane where your lane is losing. Why are you doing this? No idea why I never played her before. Fuck that. I mean, Ali, please. You're kinda going a little to a hand there, buddy. We're sort of behind now. I mean, maybe not in CS, but he has killed me twice. But there is nothing. Like I said, you know how that shit goes. It never goes as planned. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Nah, I got all the faith in this team that he will carry us and Monkey. They will both carry us into the next generation of LCS players. Wait, like I said, I don't like facing Jhin. I should have probably banned him. This is a draft. So I could have easily done it, but I decided to ban Echo because Echo is stupid dumb right now. So I think I made the okay choice. Who knows now? Because I can't even get my best friend's sword, man. I keep getting fucking ganked. Look at this garbage. I think since we're winning top in quotes, they're just gonna keep ganking bot. So I can't really do anything right now at the moment. This is gonna be one of those games where I just get camped forever and my team does all the work and they carry me and just one of those annoying ass fucking matches, man. Why does this happen? Why does this happen to me? Boo, 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 boo. Is this guy with the Teemo? I'm not even too sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Kha'Zix is coming right now. I have no doubt in my mind that that stupid bug is coming. If he was not there, we could have probably killed, oh, nope, he killed Kha'Zix and he was in the top lane. That's what I like to see. Ooh. I, like, misclicked my... my spell shield. That would have been very, very, very mad. That would have been fucking terrible, man. Just one hook, I would have probably died because I don't have no summons. I have my ult, but no, it's not enough. This Alistar is annoying though. Just keeps laughing. At least make the good place, if then laugh at their bodies as they rot into existence. 4. Gonna keep getting stunned. We're gonna getting killed, man. Stop fucking around, dude. Can I? I think I can. I'm pretty sure I can. I don't know. I don't know. It's an ult, but can I spell shield Nautilus ult? I'm pretty sure I can. You know, I'm just noob. I'm just fucking noob. Watch this. Oh. Woo! Putting on my ice cream shoes for the jukes. Your boys will never hit me. Never in their life will they ever kill me again. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, fool. Oh, I can spell shield that. Let's go, buddy. Kha'Zix, you piece of shit. At least that's... Oh, yeah, Kha'Zix is still there. That looks warded now. At least I know that I can. I was pretty sure that I could, but... Fuck, man. Kha'Zix... Okay, Kha'Zix is mid. We can probably kill them. Depending on what... I like how I still kept up in CS with the stupid Jhin even dying twice. Does that mean I'm good? Or does that mean he's bad? We will never know. The world will never ever know. Ever, ever, ever know. That when I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be the savior of the broken, the beaten? I don't know the whole song. I don't even know that full little part. I haven't heard that song forever. It's been almost 10,000 years since I've heard that song. Oh my god, we can definitely kill him. Kill him! Why am I just walking? What the fuck am I doing? I guess I misclicked the ground? I don't know, man. I hate this game. Just kidding. But, I fucking This is why I need to change my... Yeah, she's always fucking here, man. Holy crap. Holy fuck, man. She's always down here. Girl, I'm about to give you a tent and see where that shit goes. For the tent. Yeah, man. They know about my power. Well, I'm way behind now, 93 to 78. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Ooh. Oh, that still killed me. Fuck. I thought I should. Yeah, I probably should have flashed. I thought. Did Alistar actually ult? Did he ult? I don't know. I thought he was gonna like full tank that for me. Although I can probably get this after they take that, so it was worth. I died 3 times already, but oh well. Let's move on, okay? I got my Essence Reaver, you know. Fuck bot lane getting camped, man. I'm tired of that shit. Well, at least we started off with, what was it? Started off with Warhammer and then instantly bought Essence Reaver, so it all worked out in the end, I guess. And we're gonna get Dragon, so it did work out in the end. Okay, Ali, move back now, my friend, before you die. Your boy. Yo, it's your boy. When I was a young boy, my father took me. There we go. I'm kind of behind, so I don't think I should have. I don't think I probably should have had the blue buff anyways. So now I'm level 9. Oh, actually, we can probably go kill her. I think he can probably one-shot her. Yeah, maybe. She's 2 and 4. Holy fuck. Where are you, beautiful girl? I just want to kill you. Alright, let's take this mid lane. Screw it. Let's take mid lane. We have, yeah, we can take this. I was gonna say, if she was gonna jump in, we have the stun and we have Ali. Wow, what the fuck just happened, dude? I can't really get too close. Kha'Zix, stay away from me, you fool! So we blew an ultimate. A very important ultimate. I don't know why. Let's just go fucking murder this. We didn't do so well in the. Oh, she's dead anyways. Wow, Timo basically 1v1'd her. Let's take this. Timo basically 1v1 Ilaoi. So we can take top lane now. We are the the roaming ADC. I mean, that camp bot lane was real. So we have to do something to make up for it. Just start destroying every other lane. I want this CS, please. Hey, bounce. Bounce, please. Bounce. Ooh. Oh, no, Katarina's there. Hell no. She can still kill me, okay? The cat. Don't worry, Ali got this. He's bot lane, you know, he got this by himself. I believe in him. The faithful shall be rewarded. Timo. The Timo carry, as I suspect. I can't even speak English. Woo! Yo, she's so scared. She's so behind. 0 and 5. I thought I was doing bad. I really thought I was doing bad. I guess not. La da 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 da. Go in, monkey. You have a stun. Mouse. Get paid and get out. Sure. If we must. My god. Monkey. Go in. You have a stun. Holy fuck. Monkey, please. For me. Come on. Graves. Mouse. I swear this teamwork. All we need to honestly just keep fucking taking turrets. Ult? Do something, man. I swear to God. I'm Callista. Katarina. You're gonna tilt me so hard. Okay, I was expecting someone to jump in, so. Alright, I'm going back. I'm not taking no chance, because he has had this done for like 10 minutes, and he doesn't go in! Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna get a pen to kill this game, don't worry. I carry no problem. Oh, fuck. I need my boots. I need my motherfucking boots. I need the cat! I mean, I mean, like, Coke, you know? where if you don't have it, you get itchy. uh, okay, we got this. Now we have boots and we have this. Although I probably should have had this a while ago, I stopped farming for like 10 years, so this is probably gonna be one of those things, you know. Monkey, don't be scared to go in. Do I need to type this for you? Why are you so, like, scared, my boy? Thank you. Thank you. So... La da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Don't worry, Greaves. I got this. Did she take that? No. Holy fuck, dude. I wish I would have gotten an assist for that, but that was fucking funny. She legit just jumped in to die. Like, that was her, like, only purpose in life. That's so sad, actually. What a fucking idiom. Oh well. We can take this, probably take... No, she's not gonna take them. Get paid and get out. Probably everyone's dream right there. Just getting paid and getting the fuck out of there. That's what everyone... Come on, you fools. Stop playing so scared. But legit, we're just taking objectives. We're like, this is just one of those games where you slowly just destroy them. And you just destroy their lives. And they have no idea what to do. 1250, I don't have enough. Oh my god, he's 8-1-5? Holy fuck. Oh damn. Yeah, she got gangbanged. Timo is still shitting. Oh my god, he's 2v1ing them. Holy fuck. They wanted me. Hell yeah, they wanted you. Oh. What the fuck? What the? I guess she didn't know what to do. I ain't scared. Let's go. So we're just gonna dance right now. See who goes in, because for some reason Annie and Alistair don't ever seem to want to go in. Although I think Katarina just did not know what the hell she was doing anymore, because her thing didn't go off because I spell shielded it. So that's actually pretty funny. Oh, thought he was gonna go in. My god, I just want another kill. Please, team. We can probably end like this. They don't do enough damage. We just keep destroying them. La da 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 da. Oh my god, it actually hit me. Holy fuck! How the fuck? I'm doing so bad, man. I'm not doing as well as I wanted to. Holy fuck. Yeah, I need to get out. I need to get out. My team is getting all the kills. They are destroying these fools, and I wish I could join them, but they don't seem to let me get a kill. It's just one of those games where you just have to be. You're just getting carried. We got hard camp. I'm actually like 1, 3, and 3. I expected to die much more with that camp. I should have pitched a tent for them, but then, you know, they thought they were gonna kill me, and they didn't know who I was. They thought I was some player, but they realized I am actually a god amongst men. They're just gonna keep dancing in mid lane, so I'm just gonna push until someone comes and kills me. Hopefully it'll be Jin, because I want to see if I can kill him. He has the same amount of items as me, but he has the rapid fire cannon, so he can fight me. I know that for a fact. But I am severe. Just kidding. I'm sorry. I'll let myself out, team. That wave clear is insane. Ooh. I'll head this way. Pentakill for me. Ooh. Okay, well I got that kill. Oh, what am I doing? I flashed a... I'm still rusty, man. But that gave me 2 kills, so fuck, I don't give a fuck. 3, 4, and 3. I messed up. I accidentally flashed. Like I said, I'm still rusty, man. I haven't played, like... I have not played. Just... That was terrible, but, oh well. My finger actually feels like it hurts. They don't really have... This Alawi so behind. Yeah, she's not even building tank either, so... Honestly, the mistake that I always see is if you're losing lane, especially if you're like top or something, don't go for Black Cleaver, especially if you're Ilawi, Darius, or Garen. Just build straight tank. If you die twice, just forget what you're building. Unless it was magic resist, just stop, man. I always see people do this. I mean, I just fucked up real bad right now, but that's just me not actually like playing and stuff. But I made a mistake. I lived up to it. It's moving on. I don't know. I didn't mean to flash there. I thought I know I used heal, but it's just one of those things. Yeah, she's dead. Look, she has nothing. I could have actually stolen that if I threw my Q. I should have been scumbag Nova. Stealing the kills. Again, I misclicked. I am rusty as hell. I should probably play more. Okay, let's take this. Let's fucking take this. You have Tibbers. We have stun. Let's just fucking do this. Okay, now we can't do this. Cause team, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? I don't know. Do, 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 do. Please don't go. Why is he by himself? Nah, let him die. Let's take this shit. While they're all chasing one person, they can take their mid lane. If I wake up tomorrow, will we still be here? Hey! Is this guy an idiot? Okay, let's just keep taking this. We got it. We did it. For one kill, they just lost their entire mid lane. Worth, I suppose. As I duly noted, nice 5-man distraction games. Hell yeah. Let's go kill this bitch. Actually, I don't know. She might hurt, actually. I kind of want this. Give it to me! Monkey, please. Alright. Oh. I could have ran away, but I didn't expect her to to Teemo like that. I could have ran away, but fuck it. Rusty game is rusty life. I've been slippery bastard all game. So much freaking CC. I mean, who did she go in for? For Ilawi? I don't think she should have ulted Ilawi. Yeah. Should have not ulted Ilawi, my friend. You should have probably just waited for Katarina to show up and straight murder her in the coldest of blood. Just straight up murder. Gun down in the streets is what you should have done. See what he says. Because everyone knows I'm the Teemo main. Sounds good. wake up tomorrow. Can I have blue buff, please? Bounce? Just get it. No! I wanted the blue! Motherfucker. I kind of wanted the blue because I keep running out of mana. Because Ricochet is what it's up every time I throw it, it's up after it's off cooldown. Like legit, I'll use it, get my auto attacks in, and it's back up. That's what's so good about this. Like especially if you had 40% cooldown reduction. I don't, but you know, when I do, people shall know pain and destruction. When I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? When I make up tomorrow, will you still be here? She's dead. I kind of just wanted the kill. That's why I flashed over the wall. When I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here with me? Oh, I thought he was gonna go in. What a terrible spell shield. Something absolutely wrong with me. I'm a monster. Oh, they surrendered. Anyways, my good people, I know I haven't been placing much videos, but I'm gonna see if I can do another one right after this. So, if you did enjoy, I hope you come back and... Why am I singing? But come back and watch the next game in this exciting installment of League of Legends. YOSH!